turn, please? Turn up.
The National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Refuge Parish in central Louisiana, northeastern Evangeline Parish in central Louisiana, southwestern Avoyelles Parish in central Louisiana until 10 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 9:26 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located nearby Ishiko, or near Turkey Creek, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Lucky and Cherville around 9:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. Evergreen around 9:45 a.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornado